Hello! Here in Scotland we make Scottish donuts, which is a deep fried, a deep fried scone, but not like an English scone, like a Scottish scone. Right. Okay, you're just gonna have to visit Scotland to see a Scottish donut. But this was our donut cutter and it has fallen to bits. So I'm going to clean it up with the grinder and try and take it back together. Once I work out what kind of metal it is, I'm going to need a magnet. I don't know what it is. Is it tin? Is it steel? Oh, well, it sticks with old magnet, so we'll just go with steel then. Maybe like coated, but we'll grind it off and see what we end up with. Right, we're going to grind it all nice and clean and shiny, and then we'll worry about TIG welding it. Okay, that goes like that, and we'll figure out the orientation. Where does it fit best? I have to clean. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean up that inside as well. Fairly sure it fitted in the. Nah, I'm gonna have to clean that inside bit. How do you get a grinder in there? Because it does have an edge inside where it obviously used to sit. So if we can put that there. Get a clamp. Right, let's fire up a TIG welder and see if we can get something on that to start with. Dun, dun, dun. Give us a bit of scrap to start with. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Probably should have done a better job of cleaning it too. Right. Ooh, look at the colours. That's covered in bakery stuff. What's the word? Detritus? Not detritus, but I haven't even got a brush. Where's my fucking brushes gone? Oh, a grinder and paint makes me the welder I ain't. Okay, that bit won't fall to bits. It's not that hot now. Which is good, which is good. We just need the top. Yep, yeah, take it back, it's quite warm. I'm also trying to get it roughly in the middle. You know, because donuts should have their holes in the middle. Or at least very near the middle. You know, that's pretty decent there. That's pretty decent. Right, do we clamp that into place? Like that. run a couple of spots along that edge. Sounds like a plan. Only once you found your welder. It's just to stay on, it's not like it has to be a seam. It's not an impenetrable fortress of... Okay, I'm calling her done. Calling her done. Yeah, don't breathe this, yeah. Like, I was holding my breath the whole time. Apart from when I was talking, obviously, because you can't hold your breath and talk at the same time. I know, I've tried. Right, let's find 2 gloves and grinder the ever-living Jesus out of this. Hey, it's holding together. That's more than what it was doing previously. Grinder on. Hey, you know, apart from the bit where I welded a hole in it, it's not too bad. I'll be cutting Scottish donuts for another 1,000 years. Because I think it might be 1,000 years old to start with. Anyway, it'll get a trip through the dishwasher at work. How hot is it? Not that bad. I'm checking for sharp edges. No, we're alright. Absolutely fine. No sharp edges. Ideal. Back to cotton donuts. Woo! Scottish donuts. I'll tidy away this stuff another day. At least turn your grinder and your welder off. Always remember to turn your remember to turn your gas off.